Pressure is a fundamental force in our universe. It's all around us, shaping our world in countless ways. From the air we breathe to the depths of the ocean, pressure plays a vital role. Understanding and measuring pressure is crucial in many fields. It helps us monitor weather patterns, design safe buildings, and even explore the cosmos. In engineering and industrial settings, pressure measurement is paramount. It ensures the safe and efficient operation of various systems. Accurate pressure readings allow us to control processes, prevent accidents, and maintain product quality. Whether we're dealing with liquids, gases, or any other substance, knowing the pressure is essential. Think of a car tire. The right tire pressure ensures a smooth ride and optimal fuel efficiency. Too much or too little pressure can be dangerous. Pressure measurement allows us to maintain the ideal conditions for our vehicles. From the smallest microchip to the largest power plant, pressure measurement is a cornerstone of modern technology. It's a testament to our curiosity about the world and our ability to harness its forces for our benefit. Among the many tools used to measure pressure, differential pressure transmitters stand out. These ingenious devices measure the difference in pressure between 2 points. Unlike traditional pressure gauges that show absolute pressure, these transmitters focus on the pressure gap. Imagine a pipe carrying fluid. A differential pressure transmitter can be installed to measure the pressure difference between 2 points along the pipe. This difference can tell us a lot about the flow rate, any blockages, or the performance of pumps. Differential pressure transmitters are versatile and find applications in various industries. They are essential in chemical plants, oil refineries, water treatment facilities, and many more. Their ability to measure pressure differences makes them invaluable for monitoring and controlling processes. Think of a ventilation system in a building. Differential pressure transmitters can monitor the airflow to ensure proper ventilation and air quality. By measuring the pressure difference across filters, they can also indicate when it's time to replace them. A differential pressure transmitter might seem complex, but its basic principles are quite simple. It consists of several key components that work together to provide accurate pressure readings. Let's take a closer look at these components. At the heart of the transmitter are 2 pressure sensors. These sensors are designed to measure the pressure at each of the 2 input ports. The sensors convert the pressure into an electrical signal, which is then processed by the transmitter's electronics. The electronics of the transmitter play a crucial role in calculating the pressure difference. They take the electrical signals from the 2 pressure sensors and subtract one from the other. This difference is then amplified and converted into a standard output signal. The output signal from the transmitter is typically a 4 to 20 milliamp current signal, or a digital signal. This signal can be sent to a control system, a display panel, or a data logger for monitoring and control purposes. Differential pressure transmitters are essential in a wide range of industries and applications. Their ability to measure pressure differences makes them ideal for monitoring flow, level, and even density. In HVAC systems, these transmitters are used to measure airflow and ensure proper ventilation. They help optimize energy efficiency and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. In water treatment plants, they monitor the flow of water and the performance of filters. Industrial processes often rely on differential pressure transmitters for precise control. They are used to monitor the flow of liquids and gases in pipelines, as well as the level of liquids in tanks. This information is crucial for maintaining product quality and preventing accidents. The benefits of using differential pressure transmitters are numerous. They offer high accuracy, reliability, and durability. They are also relatively easy to install and maintain, making them a cost-effective solution for pressure measurement. From ensuring our comfort to driving industrial innovation, differential pressure transmitters play a vital role in our modern world. They are a testament to our ingenuity and our ability to harness the principles of physics for practical applications.